Do you have vegetarian food? Do you have a vegetarian food?
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian food do you have?
Vegetarian food.
No, don't have.
No sir, we don't have.
About burger without patty, Ken?
Without
Patty.
without patty, we don't have sir.
You don't
We
have.
only have burger with patties.
How about chicken without skin, Ken?
Patty, ano sorry?
Chicken without skin. Have?
We don't have.
You don't have. Okay. Give me a burger.
Bo-
Burger.
What kind of burger sir?
That is burger.
Cheeseburger? The
Yes,
cheesy one or
yes.
the original? The regular
What
one?
is much better? Original?
The cheesy yung burger.
Okay. Give me one.
One.
Okay.
With fries and drinks sir?
Okay. With fries and drinks.
Yung fries po without salt?
Yes.
No salt po yung
No,
fries.
so it's okay. Have salt.
It's okay to have salt.
Yes.
Drink sir? What is your drink sir? Pineapple? Or iced tea?
Pineapple, no ice.
Pineapple no.
Okay.
Any addition sir?
No. How much?
150.
You this one?
No,
No.
sir!
Hindi mo makilala.
Pag kilala mo ako, bigyan kita ng 1,000.
Nag-vlog na ako dyan, no? Sa dili.
For DD, LPD, 1 SNO ice, regular 1
Sige. Diyan sa parking attendant dyan sa kasagwardya.
Yes sir, next time. Hindi na nakakalimutan na sir.
Napa-English tuloy ako. Say hi to my vlog yung camera, oh.
Ako din
Oh,
sir.
kunin mo yung 100, ha? Tip ko sa'yo. Ha? Kunin mo yung 100. Mm.
Naka-English din namin.
Kunin mo yung 100, ha? Oh. Kunin mo yan. Ayan. Ayan to. Ayan ako, oh. Mm.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Yun! Napa-English din daw siya. Yun.
No ice, sir.
Nice.
Thank you po.
No, walang straw.
Ando na po, sir, sa paper bag.
Wala na.
Wala po ba dyan, sir?
Pag kilala mo ako, bigyan kita 1,000.
Pag kilala mo ako, bigyan kita 1,000. Hindi.
Ha?
Ha? Hindi kilala?
Ah,
Nag-vlog na ako dyan.
kailangan, sir, eh. Sorry, sir.
Hindi na?
Dami iniisip dyan.
Oh, ito, tip ko.
Ano?
Oh, baka bumalik ulit ako dyan, ha?
Sir, thank you. Sabi na ako. Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Bye-bye. Nag-vlog na ako dito, eh. Nakalimutan. sa mga guard saka sa parking attendant nila. Ayun, yun. Bye mga kabero. Yan, dati rin ako Jollibee crew. Yan, Jollibee crew din dati. Dati nagtrabaho sa mga fast food din. Dunkin' Donut, yan, Jollibee. Sige po, bye-bye. Yun.